Explore Linz like never before. Beyond Curiosity is a collaboration between Linz Tourism and the Ars Electronica Future Lab, reimagining the city's key sites with cutting-edge 3D Gaussian splatting technology. We captured over 200 unique scans using Scaniverse and 360-degree video footage of the city of Linz, seamlessly stitching them into a multi-dimensional artistic virtual tour. The best part? You can do it too. The idea behind this project is simple. Anyone, whether you're a resident or a visitor, can follow their curiosity and create 3D scans of their favorite city spots using just their phone and become a part of the journey. And here is how.
Step 1. Download and open the app. Start by downloading Scaniverse from your App Store and open it on your phone. For best results, use an iPhone 11 or newer.
Step 2. Scan your city. Tap the plus button and select Splat to start a new scan. Press the red button to begin scanning. Focus on a key object as the centerpiece of your scan. Move around the object multiple times from different angles to capture it from diverse perspectives. When done, press the red square to stop scanning. Tap Process Splat and wait a few minutes for processing. A red line will show progress. Once complete, press Save to store your scan.
Here are some tips and tricks to get good results. First, be aware of your surroundings. Walk at a slow and natural pace. Move your body and phone to capture at various angles. High and low, near and far, face on and from the sides. If it's an object like a statue, just walk all the way around. Walk in circles and scan from different heights and distances. For a street scene or scanning something bigger or large, focus on any one object. You can simply imagine that you're scanning an invisible object in the middle, walking beside or around it. Also, don't scan too long. Great splats take about 1 to 3 minutes to scan. Any longer than that, and the overall quality will diminish.
Step 3. Explore and share. If you're happy with your scan, publish it on the city map. Explore other user-created scans, discover hidden gems, and expand your journey of curiosity through the city.
Your scans can be part of a growing community. Share your perspective, explore new places, and inspire others to follow their curiosity.